Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the dispenser on a stable surface so it won't slide. This matters because stability prevents misfeeds. Next, make sure the note stack is aligned to the guide. This ensures one-sheet dispensing. Once aligned, orient the notch or tab toward the spring mechanism. That orientation is why pop-up notes interlock. If the sheets feel stuck, fan them lightly so the adhesive edges separate. Keep your movement steady, and don't press down hard until the stack seats fully. You now close the feeder or lid gently until it seats. This compresses the spring and readies the dispensing action. Then, pull a single sheet straight out with a consistent vertical motion because angled pulls can draw two sheets. Once done, test 2 to 3 times. This verifies consistent engagement and shows if alignment needs tweak. If the dispenser misses, open it, reseat the stack, and test again. Take your time here. Consistent popping saves frustration later. You finish by ensuring the remaining stack sits flat and the lid closes without force. This preserves the feed path. Make sure not to overfill. Stay within about 1/2 inch of capacity because overstuffing defeats the spring. If a jam occurs, stop and remove the stack, then realign and reseat each sheet so edges interlock correctly. That step usually clears issues. Finally, replace warped or very sticky pads. Fresh pads restore reliable popping and prevent repeated jams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.